everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back. And I just thought of this fun little video that I can do over the holidays and over Christmas. So we are here to talk about the top 5 Bible journaling items that I would use if I could have nothing else, like nothing else. So this is like the bare minimum of what I would use. So yes, it might be tough because every item counts as one item. So I realized if I pick watercolors, I need a paintbrush. So that counts as one item too. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? All right, so since we started off with that, let's just start off with that because that's the first thing that I would use. So I would use my Gansai Tambi watercolor set. Love it. It is my favorite watercolor set of all time. I love the colors. I love the pigmentation. It comes in a beautiful set of like, how many is this? I think this is like one of their biggest sets. It has like, doesn't say. It's in Japanese. It doesn't say how many there are in here. Okay. But so that's the back. If you want to check out the number there. All right, so absolutely 100% that would be one that I would take. So should I be that nitpicky where I would have to pack a paintbrush in my bag if I was going to use my watercolors? I wouldn't count water because like that's something I can get, this is like if you can only take a certain couple things with you while traveling, or if you can only buy a couple things, this is what I would buy. So watercolors. This isn't like a super expensive paintbrush. This one I got at, I think, Hobby Lobby. It's Master's Touch number 18. So I definitely would bring this one. I do have a smaller one, but I would definitely bring the big one. So that would count as 2. The next thing that I would take, if I could only have 5 items, would be my set of mixed media stencils. So I've used this with distress ink. I've used it with paint. I think I tried with gelatos, but I need to have a different technique with that. So most of these have been used multiple times. I've used these. Well, I haven't used that one. I've got an unused one. Actually, I have 2 unused ones. But yes, so some of these, like especially like this one, you can see that I use multiple times. It has green and brown on that side, and this side has pink and blue. So yeah, I've used that one multiple times. So they, even though they're made out of like cardboard almost, or very thin cardboard, they have lasted me quite a while, which I'm really surprised about. So I need something to put with my stencils. So that's my 3rd item already. So the 4th one I'm going to do is take one of my distress ink canisters. So they do have multiple things in here, but I think I can count one case full as one item because it's technically carrying one thing. So out of either one of these, I think I would take the one with the most colors. These ones have more of browns. There's a few colors, but I think I would take the colorful palette. Even though I do like my browns, I would take the colorful palette. So this has, let's see, peacock feathers, spice marmalade, picked raspberry, mustard seed, ripe persimmon, fired brick, tumbled glass, seedless preserves, mowed lawn, crushed olive, salty ocean, and dusty concord. So it has pretty much the entire rainbow on here. But yes, so I would take this canister of distress inks to go with my stencils. So that's number 4 already. Now I gotta decide like one more item to bring with us. Because I made this difficult where like I literally, if I pick up one thing, that's what I take. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and I could be like really nitpicky and only pick like one distress ink, but since it's one case, we can just go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna make it that difficult on myself. So that was 4 already. I thought I could take more than what I thought in the beginning. So I think my 5th item is going to be, since this is one drawer full, I can even carry like my whole case with me. Should I just bring like my whole case? Because it has like everything that I need and it's one case. You know what? We're gonna cheat on this one. All right, so I realized something, that technically it's carrying one thing, if I put the drawer away. So, one marker won't go back in though. There we go. So technically, sorry about the glare, this case is actually quite small actually. It's only about 8.5 inches by 6. So it's actually pretty small. And so I could carry this anywhere. I could even pack this into like a backpack. But since, you know, we can only carry 5 items, this might be cheating, but I think it's safe to say that like it's technically one item that I can carry. But this has multiple uses. So it has, I already showed you the bottom drawer, which has Posca pens. This drawer has Tombow brush pens, pinks, purples, and lots of grays and blacks in there. This one also has Tombow brush pens. It has my browns in there. And this top one has 2 metallic Poscas and my zebra fine liners, which I can use for highlighting, bullet journaling, etc. So this might be cheating, but I think I'm gonna go with it just because it makes my life easier. Let me know what 5 items you would bring. So if you do have a carrying case that has like all your needs, like literally if you have a carrying case that has everything you need from stickers, washi tape, double-sided tape, anything, in one case, I would count that as one item. But let me know your 5 items down below. And so yeah, that's kind of a fun little little thing. So those are my 5 items. So we have watercolors, a paintbrush, we have stencils, distress ink, and my markers. So I can safely say that that would be the things that I would take. Should I do 6 items or take one away? Because honestly, there's one more thing that I would take with me, and that would be double-sided tape. I forgot how important double-sided tape is because you can get paper anywhere. You can print paper, you can do whatever. So it's very important to have that with you. I don't know. We can just add it in as an extra bonus. If you have a bonus item, if you want to bring one extra bonus item with you, this would be it. Double-sided tape for sure. So yeah, we just brought an extra item with us. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of a different fun video that I thought you all would enjoy. You know, just a quick video. And so I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed day and a blessed week. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all in the next video.